Hello! Today we're going to create our own video game scene in Solidworks Apps for Kids. We start by creating our hero pixel by pixel. With the Add Material command, we add a blob for each pixel starting with our hero's hat. Then we create its head, then its neck, and its arm stretched out both sides. Then we carry on with its body and finally its feet. With the sharpen command, we turn our round hero into square pixels. Let's bring it to life in Style It. Purple clothes, blonde hair, green eyes, pink mouth, brown shoes. On the other side, we create its companion. Green hat, dark hair, and blue trousers. Finally, we outline our character in black, like in traditional pixel art. We are done with our character. Let's create the video game scene in Shape It. We start with a long line for the ground of our scene. Then we add some obstacles, a mountain, and a flag at the end of the game. We tinker with the placement of the decor pieces and use the clone command to create a second cloud. Again, we use the sharpen command to turn all the decor pieces into square pixels. In Style It, we use green for the grass, white for the snow at the top of the mountain and the clouds, brown and red for the bricks, and check pattern for the flag. We add some water for our hero to jump over. We switch to Shape It to add our character to the scene, using the Shape command and selecting My Stuff. Back in Style It, we add a background sky scene, and voila! You can print your pixel art using Print It 2D print option as a color print or a color by number activity. Don't forget to share your model. Let's fill the public library with video games.